Hello student, welcome back to yet another video on a statistic chapter. In my today's video, I'm gonna explain to you all example based on the mean deviation point. Okay, that already I covered this point in my previous lecture. Okay, mean deviation, after that standard deviation, these are the measure of a dispersion, okay, that I explained in my previous lecture. If you're interested to see this video, guys, go and check in my I button, or you can get this video in my description box too. Okay, so let's get start this example. Okay, this example is only intention behind of this example. You will get an idea about the how can we calculate mean deviation. Okay, yes. So mean deviation. Let's start the example. Okay, let me read example. Calculate the mean deviation about the mean for the following series. Okay, you will get the question in your question paper like this. Okay, calculate the mean deviation about the mean for following series. Now, as we observed this series, it seems like that this one is the ungrouped data. Okay, this one is the ungrouped data, and we know that for finding mean deviation for ungrouped data, okay, mean deviation for the ungrouped data, we write mean deviation which is equal to I summation I which is equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar. Okay, summation I which is equal to 1 to n modulus of xi minus x bar. Okay, modulus of xi minus x bar divided by n. Okay, this is the way we denote mean deviation. Okay, xi minus x bar divided by n. Okay, now see that, guys, these are the xi given. Okay, this is x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6. For your understanding, let me write x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6. Okay, these are the x1 to x6 data sets I written over here. Okay, this is from the question paper. Okay, let me write this solution from here. Okay, these are the x1 to xn. Now what we have, all these xi, this x bar represent average. Okay, average means arithmetic mean for these all xi's. Okay, and n means total number of i's. Okay, now see that if you are going to calculate by regular ways, it is quite bit complicated and might be you will make mistakes. Okay, so better than this, what you do, you draw the table. Okay, always remember that, guys, whenever you go for any calculation in a statistic, always draw the table. It is way easier for the calculations. Okay, yes, let's get start the solution. First of all, see that x bar we are going to find out the first of all x bar we know that the arithmetic means x bar means which is the arithmetic means, and that can be written as x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus xn divided by total number of elements, which is a n number here. Okay, as we have last number n, that's why it is n. Okay, yes, so just replace the values here. Then x bar, okay, x bar can be written as 10 plus 20 plus 15 plus 25 plus 18. Okay, 10 plus 20 plus 15 plus 25 plus 18 plus 12. Okay, so add all these numbers. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, total 6 number, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and total divided by 6 here. Okay, add all these 6 number divided by 6. So go for the addition of all these numbers. What we have here, 30 and this 40, 70 and this 30, 100. So which is 100 by 6 over here. Okay, 100 by 6. Let's find out the fraction answer in a fraction. So if you go for the division, we get the 16.66. Okay, 16.66. this one is the x bar. Okay, x bar means this one is the arithmetic mean. This one x bar means 16.66 is the arithmetic mean. Okay, so now see that what we want here, we want the mean deviation. Mean deviation means we have to deal this formula. Okay, So for finding the mean deviation, like let's write down separate separate columns, so that one is easier for finding the solution. So here I'm going to expand this formula in this form. Okay, that means we all are having that xi. Okay, that xi we are having xi. Okay, so that we need a xi here. Okay, that xi I written over here. Okay, after that xi, what we have given in the formula, xi minus x bar. Okay, xi minus x bar, and at the end we want the modulus for this xi minus x bar. Okay, yes, and at the end we want the summation for this one. So at the end we go for finding here, the summation of xi minus x bar. Okay, let me write first of all these xi from here. So I written over here all these xi's in one column. Okay, see that all xi which is given in our question. So xi minus x bar, means 10 minus 16.66 here, 20 minus 16.66 here, 15 minus 16.66, 25 minus 16.66, 18 minus 16.66, and 12 minus 16.66. Let me write all these values now. After taking all these calculations, I got the xi minus x bar this way, minus 6.66 plus 3.34 and so on up to the minus 4.66. Okay, take the modulus for all these values. We're going to write this modulus over here. Okay, so 6.66, 3.34, 1.66, 8.34, 1.34 and 4.66. Okay, now see that in our formula what we have expected value, summation xi minus x bar. Summation xi minus x bar means we have to find out the sum for all these numbers. Okay, summation of xi minus x bar. Okay, this is all the sum for all these values, it is coming here. Okay, yes, so let's find out the sum over here first of all. So which is the total sum for xi minus x bar? I received here 26. Okay, you can go for the addition of this number, which is a 26. Now see that guys, I took this example by myself randomly, just for your understanding. That's why these values are in the fraction form. Okay, in your question paper you won't get this fraction form calculation. Okay, don't worry about it. Just for your understanding, I taken this random value, but because of the some wrong values, it comes under the fractional part. Okay, but it is okay. This example, it is way easier for understanding, that you can easily understand. Okay, yes. Now what we want the mean deviation, which means summation of pi, which is equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar. Okay, xi minus x bar, what is the value here? Mean deviation can be written as 26, the value it is here. Okay, summation of xi minus x bar, which is a 26. Okay, total divided by n means 6. Okay, that means how many number of the values we have here? Total number of the 6 values, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So that's why 26 divided by 6. So if you divide 26 to the 6 by 6, you will get the 4.33 and so on. Okay, this is the your right mean final deviation. Okay, right final deviation, mean deviation. Okay, final value. I hope you all have understood guys. Mean deviation, it is way easier. Okay, for your understanding, you can refer my entire question, note it down, prepare it for your understanding. It is way easier for finding the mean deviation. Such examples I found in your previous year question paper guys. Okay, so get ready with this example. These are way more important. Okay, so that's it for our today's lecture guys. I explained to you all one of the example based on the mean deviation. Even after, if you found anything difficult guys, let me know in my comment section. I will come up with a similar video. So thank you everyone. Thank you for my today's lecture.